Kolkata. Kolkata is my city, my home. Wherever I go or whichever city I have lived in and set up my home, there has always been a reference to something or some place or somebody or some incident in Kolkata. In the past few years, I have lived in a different state, which is way more developed, but the vibe of Kolkata cannot be found anywhere else. Kolkata is Kolkata. I love my old, sluggish, Bheto Bangalir Kolkata. To understand Kolkata, you have to first love and embrace your culture, the traditions, and our country's glorious past. If you want to revisit the past, want to get nostalgic, then Kolkata is the place. For me, the only way to experience Kolkata is to feel the city, leave the city. For those who haven't had any prior Kolkata experience, I hope I can show them the true Kolkata in my way. City of Joy or City of Curious Characters, Kolkata is a story that started over 3 centuries ago. Believed to have been founded by Job Charnock, an administrator who first came to the village of Shutanuti on 24th August 1690. Bengali culture is one of the most important cultures in India. Kolkata is also known as the cultural capital of India, from literature, visual art, music, fine arts, and the list goes on. Churashankho Thakurbari, the house in Kolkata where the great writer, songwriter, painter, and novel writer Rabindranath Tagore was born. Festivals in Kolkata are celebrated with a vast enthusiasm that makes the city more beautiful and happier. There is a popular saying in Bengali that Baro Mashe Tero Parbon. It literally means that 13 festivals in 12 months. Almost all festivals of all religions are celebrated here with equal religious sentiment. The most popular festival celebrated in Kolkata is Durga Puja, where all people come out in the streets and celebrate this 5 days festival. In addition to its history, Kolkata is also famous for its food. Bengali cuisine has evolved over time, but Kolkata still remains an ideal place to experience the cuisine characterized in part by mustard oil and fish. The Rasgulla is not just a mishti, but a matter of regional pride. And it would be a crime if I didn't mention about Kolkata style biryani. Meat and potatoes shares a special bond in Kolkata. Its inclusion in the city's biryani is a habit that is hard to break.
500 টাকা আর এটা কি আছে এগুলো রুই না কাতলা
Bengali love fishes, and a Bengali buying fish is a serious business. To a Bong, the aroma that hangs in the air of the fish market is soul stirring, a force that drives him or her to greater things in life.
দাদা একটু কম করে দেবেন
The vibrant city Kolkata is also known for its passion for sports. Cricket and football run in the blood of the people here. It is the home for one of the most renowned cricket ground across the world, known as Eden Garden. Apart from cricket, there is a huge love for football here as well. And the 2 most prominent teams are Mohun Bagan and East Bengal. The second largest second-hand book market in the world, College Street, is a promised land of every book lover. It is said that if you did find a book at College Street, that book probably never existed. Tucked away in the locality is the iconic Indian Coffee House, the perfect spot located just the opposite of Presidency College to relax after hours of browsing. Gracing the streets of Kolkata since 1902, the city tram service is not only one of the oldest in Asia, it is the last remaining one in India. Kolkata's public transport system has taxi, buses, auto rickshaw and the metro. But the experience of riding in a tram is unmatchable. It is among the cheapest ways to get around, provided you are not in a hurry. Our tour of Kolkata is incomplete without one of the Howrah Bridge. Passing over the Hooghly River, it is an icon of engineering and the British Empire that was once centered in then Calcutta. It is the world's third longest cantilever bridge, constructed without any nuts and bolts, and among the busiest in the world. Observe it as you drive through it, or enjoy the view of the city icon on a sunset boat ride on the Hooghly River. The Victoria Memorial is located in the heart of Kolkata. This white marble, opulent structure was built in memory of Queen Victoria to celebrate her 25 years of rule over India, and is almost a replica of Victoria Memorial in London. Victoria Memorial is an iconic structure that is synonymous with the City of Joy. The memorial is surrounded by a lush green and well-maintained garden which spreads over 64 acres and has numerous statues and sculptures in it. Maidan is Kolkata's tourist magnet, literally meaning open field. Maidan is the city's largest urban park that stretches from Victoria Memorial on the east to the Hooghly River on the west. Besides serving as a hub of entertainment and leisure for the people of Kolkata, this is also an important historical and cultural center. Owing to its greenery and freshness, this property of Indian Army has been rightly nicknamed as Lungs of Kolkata. With landmarks like Eden Gardens, Kolkata Racecourse, the Royal Calcutta Golf Club and a host of historical sites, Maidan is a destination in itself. Maidan is a place one must never miss to explore on a trip to Kolkata. Prinsep Ghat is one of the oldest recreational spots of Kolkata. The Ghat was named after James Prinsep, located along the banks of the beautiful Hooghly River. The Ghat is surrounded by greenery and overlooked by the Vidyasagar Setu. There are many food stalls nearby that sells a variety of street delicacy. People can conduct rituals and can take a bath or go for a boat rides. The short river cruises on the traditional wooden boats and speedboats are available nearby. A song of Bollywood film Parinita was shot here on the Ghats. The Ghat is also popular for shooting location as well as a place for many societal gatherings and important functions of Kolkata. This city gives you a large storehouse of lineage which is visible everywhere. Old houses, buildings, adda, the chai conversations are very common. To experience to those, you should come to Kolkata. It is more than a city and words fall short to describe it. Kolkata's colonial past can be found on every corner, but it is the combination of that history and modern advances that makes this friendly metropolis a unique city in India. Sometimes we often forget to appreciate and discover the beauty, heritage, culture and aesthetics which this city contains. So you won't be liking Kolkata if you haven't found the true essence of life. We should always take pride in what we have rather than what we don't have and value it to the utmost. Kolkata, a city that retains the essence of India.